Cormorant fishing is a traditional fishing technique in which fisher use trained cormorant to catch fish in rivers. Historically, cormorant fishing has taken place in China and Japan, as well as Greece and North Macedonia. In Guilin, Guangxi, cormorant bird are famous for fishing on shallow Lijiang River. This river is favorite spot for fishermen, and they came here in morning with trained cormorant birds. Before they release the birds, they tie a noose loosely around the neck to stop them swallowing any fish which they catch. Chanting and dancing at once encourage birds to take the plunge. Underwater, the cormorant hunting instinct kicks, turning them into the fish-seeking missile. Working together, a good cormorant team can catch a dozen decent-sized fish in a morning. The birds return to the raft with fish because they have been trained to do so. After completing catching process, cormorant get a reward. The fishermen, of course, keep the best fish for themselves. The cormorant get the leftover tittles. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from our video. So please like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more such informative videos.